New Planner 5D versus Room Planner. Which is the best home planner? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Planner 5D and Room Planner. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's start with Planner 5D. Planner 5D offers a highly intuitive and user-friendly interface for designing interior and exterior spaces. One of its standout features is the drag and drop functionality, which makes it easy to create floor plans without needing professional experience. It supports both 2D and 3D views, allowing users to visualize their spaces realistically. Pros of Planner 5D include a large library of furniture and design elements, multi-platform support, and hardware compatibility for immersive planning. However, some cons include limited free features and the best assets are locked behind a paywall. Also, exporting high quality renders requires a premium subscription. Now, coming to Room Planner. Room Planner, powered by IKEA, focuses more on interior layout and is especially useful for those who want to furnish rooms with real world items. It allows users to design rooms quickly and choose furniture that exists in real life. Pros include its accuracy, real product integration, and quick planning tools. It's perfect for small scale room arrangements and apartment planning. On the downside, Room Planner has fewer design customization options compared to Planner 5D, and its furniture library is limited to IKEA products mostly. Also, its 3D view isn't as detailed as Planner 5D. So that's basically the main differences between Planner 5D and Room Planner, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.